Stuck after divorce? You're probably making one or more of these 5 mistakes that are keeping you from healing. Divorce is tough, but it doesn't control your life. Let's break down 5 common mistakes holding you back and how to avoid them. After a divorce, the emotional weight feels unbearable. Some mistakes keep you stuck in this cycle. Let's fix that. Mistake number 1: avoiding your feelings. You might think distractions like work or social media will help you move on, but in reality, they only delay your healing. The truth is, pushing emotions away doesn't make them disappear. They'll just resurface later, often at the worst time. Instead, let yourself feel. Whether it's anger, sadness, or frustration, sit with those emotions without judgment. You don't need to control them, just allow them to pass. Facing your emotions doesn't make you weak, it makes you stronger. Healing comes when you stop suppressing and start feeling, one wave at a time. Mistake number 2: holding on to anger. Anger might feel like it's protecting you, but it's actually keeping you stuck in the past. Anger keeps you tied to the past, draining your energy, preventing you from moving forward. Instead of letting anger control you, use it as fuel for positive action. Go for a run, start a creative project, or clean and organize your space. Anger is energy. You can transform it into something that empowers you. When you release anger, you free yourself to step into the next chapter of your life with renewed strength. Mistake number 3: overthinking the divorce. It's natural to replay the events over and over, wondering what went wrong, what you could have done differently, or if there's something you missed. But this endless cycle doesn't lead to clarity. Instead, it keeps you anchored to the past. Here's the truth: no amount of overthinking will change what happened. It's not about finding the perfect explanation. It's about accepting what is. Healing comes when you stop trying to rewrite the past and begin taking control of the present. Instead of analyzing the past, focus on small actions you can take today. Write in a journal, connect with a friend, or take a walk. You'll find that when you start moving forward, the answers you're seeking will become clearer. Let go of the need for complete understanding and trust that your healing process will reveal what you need in time. Mistake number 4: clinging to the past. Whether it's photos, gifts, or memories, holding on to these keeps you stuck in who you were in that relationship. Letting go of the past doesn't mean forgetting it. It means creating space for your future. The past shaped you, but it doesn't define you. Start small. Clear out physical reminders, old gifts, photos, and messages. Create room for new memories, new experiences. When you clear space, you're opening doors to new opportunities. It's your time to rewrite your story. Mistake number 5: neglecting your health. Emotional turmoil often leads to physical neglect, from poor diet to lack of exercise. Your mind and body are connected. If you don't nurture one, the other will suffer. Take small steps, hydrate, move, and feed your body what it needs to heal. These little habits add up over time. When you care for yourself, you lay the foundation for everything else to grow. Take care of yourself so you can rebuild with strength. Healing isn't linear. You've been stuck, but right now, you have the power to change your life. You're not defined by your past. This moment is yours to change. Rewrite your story, and it's not about perfection. It's about taking responsibility for your healing and moving forward with intention. Take that first step and reclaim your power. Ready to heal? Subscribe for more on rebuilding your life after you divorce.